chickies. Old Red here, she's not putting up with these puppies. The dogs, that being outside the cage, she's not tolerating it. Telling them to get out of town. Jet is being a little rough. Everybody's getting old and big. Hey, what's going on? Say hi. Say hi. What is this I'm holding? What is this I'm holding? Entertainment for the chickens. Jetta, no. These are nice chickens. I don't know how nice they are, but they got the white one through that pole when I wasn't home, and they were much smaller than this, and pulled one through, so I put a chicken wire across it, so now they can't put their paws through and grab hold of them. Live and learn. My mistake. What you crying about over there? Oh, there's the little kitty. Meow meow. Hi, kitty. Hi. Meow. What are we doing over here? Hi, meow meow. Old Red here is in charge of the herd, I guess, even though they're all hens, I think. This is a real interesting girl. So you can imagine that this goes on all day long. These guys stand by the gate, and these guys stand by the gate, checking each other out. Boss lady here. Meow meow. Where's the kitty? Here she comes. So there's the whole herd. Oh, I guess I better go stop that. Climbing the pine tree. So, I guess that's my cue. Are you going to come down or are you going to stay? You're going to come back down? Kitty's trying to get in. See?
Yep. Learning to be balanced.
Doesn't really know how to get down.
Has to figure it out.
Just don't let her go too high.
Hang in there, monkey.
What are you doing, Jetta? Uh-oh.
Got it, got it, got it. Good job. Like raccoon.
I think raccoon do a little bit better job than that.
Not baby raccoons.
Yeah, that's true. Time to go up to the bed, looks like.
News won the race. Oops, patches fell.
This one, this dark red one, is the one that
I'm
comes.
gonna call it the red rum.
Look, look, look. It pecks at Jetta, and Jetta bites back. Watch.
Red rum is his name now.
Her.
Her.
Watch her peck, Jetta. Oh. Hey, mister. Hey. What's going on?
Take a picture of the black rum.
I already am. I'm videotaping.
I know. Make him a star of the show.
Well, the star is the dark red one. Because
Red rum.
she's doing the most
Red rum. Say red rum.
duty.
That's her new name. Ugly suckers, but you say they're gonna have eggs.
Yeah,
So
of
be
course
it.
they're going to have red. They're going to be pretty when they grow up.
I don't know how.
They
All
will.
the pretty ones have nice hats.
Well, those are just crested.
World Cup chickens.
You mean Kentucky Derby?
Dubai World Cup.
Well, it started in Kentucky.
Preakness.
Oh, okay. Go tell them, Red.
Red rum. They're all gonna have horse names.
Red Rum's still down there. Challenging.
Jetta. Look at her. I bet you that's how the other got caught.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Roscoe must probably grabbed his beak and pulled him out, you know?
Well, they could reach.
Because
They
he-
used to be able to reach in there. They could reach in there with their arms until I put that cage on there.
Yeah, I know. But I'm saying
Hey,
that if the
look at this. He came and visited me.
if
Hi.
Jude put his head through to pick on Roscoe, Roscoe could have snatched that head.
Yeah, with their arm and their mouth.
Did you see scars on the head? Did you investigate the body?
Yeah, it was more right here and right here. So I mean, I think he grabbed him with his arm because he wasn't scared of nobody.
Yeah, he was brave chicken. I loved him. He was my favorite.
Everybody sleeps right there. Hi, you're becoming nice. Yes, you are. You're a pretty girl. You're a pretty
I
girl.
don't know what's pretty about it.
Her eyes.
Oh, you know, I have to tell you a funny story.
Well, here, let me stop the camera because this is going on YouTube.